let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. And when the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer, let it be. But though they may be parted, there is still a chance that they will see. There will be an answer, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be.
And the bass keeps walking, 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 walking. In this context, there's no disrespect. So when I bust my rhyme, you break your necks. So lose the inhibition, follow your intuition, free your inner soul and break from tradition. 'Cause when we beat out, you wouldn't believe how we wow shit out. Everybody, everybody, let's get into it. Get stupid, get retarded, get it started. get retarded. Let's get retarded. In here, let's get retarded. In here, ooh, ooh, faux shizzy, yeehaw. Bob your head like epilepsy, up inside your club or in your Bentley. Come on now, do not correct it. Let's get pregnant, let's get hectic, let's get retarded. In here, let's get retarded. Whoa, 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 cuckoo.
Szia, jössz játszani?
Nem, most nem tudok.
Oké, akkor szia.